This is Liberty stock number 51031. It's a 20-inch Amada model SSR-5 CNC horizontal spindle rotary surface grinder. Serial number 197000221, built in 2013. Has a FANUC Series OI TD CNC controller. It also has a Boonery paper medium magnetic drum coolant filtration system with a integrated Fuji dust collector up top. Okay, we'll walk around.
Let's
and
take a look. Sure, we're gonna go up, down. I got the guards closed. We start in close. I just put the control on. It went to sleep on me, but do a quick overview here. Come across. Already at the opening shot, so I guess we can just open these right up too. Take a look in here if you want. In fact, I could open them both. See everything wide open. Here we go. Table condition looks good. Wheel. In fact, I can open up the wheel too. Take a look just for the sake of the video. And when you're down up here, go down low. That'll show the table lube system. Pump.
good.
Yeah, we can leave this out a little bit, I guess. So.
Hey, I'm going to flash over here real quick.
Yeah, okay. Oh, is this part of it? I think.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right,
yeah,
sure.
It's a cool.
Yeah. All right.
Then there's some other.
Yeah.
They're in our photos.
There's
but
a
anyway.
hub in there. Yeah, wheel hub assembly, arbor. Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure.
Okay.
And yeah, backside, not a lot going on. Just the hose for the exhaust down here. My line coming in 3-phase. Yeah, this is just stuck in here. That's awesome. That goes to that unit, doesn't it? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
All this goes over there. Pipe for that coolant right there. Intake up here. Electric panel down low.
Thank you.
Yep. Panic drive.
Okay.
And as long as you're right there, that is the way lube system you're looking at. Main breaker on the side over here. Battery packs, all of that. Up top is our books, documentation. Kind of just binder, a couple other, and it's all there, original stuff. So great. You probably got that in your picture. But anyhow, yeah.
Okay.
That's that, and let's play a little bit. We can run some things here. I need a chair here. I gotta get down low. I'm on the FANUC screen right now, but even in the FANUC screen, I can fire all this up in the manual mode. I've already homed it. It's referenced, so it's happy. In jog mode, I can move axes. Yeah, we can go up, I believe, and what we want to do here, and any speed, and of course ram feed where we out. I'll just go back in a little bit. That works nice, and that's manual mode. Pulse generator. You can see it on the screen. Where's the multiplier at? But you can still see it. I'm moving the table up and down. That works good. I won't spend a lot of time on this. Same thing with the RAM. Coming out a little bit. Going back in. Manual's a lot faster, of course. So up, down again. There. Chuck power is on. The magnet works good. I just left Chuck on. These are all your standard positions for the FANUC: edit, cycle, reference, jog. It's all standard. And from here I can do some stuff manually. I can turn on the table, I believe. There's table, and there is a percentage here. I'm at 10%, so it's going really slow. We'll jack it up a little bit. There's 20. And runs nice. Next, the pump is on. We're lube. 30, 35. I mean, it works. So 40. There's 50%. And we can shut that off, just so you can hear the spindle all by itself. That winds down. The decel. Spindle is right here. Is that door closed still? Yeah, so you can still see the wheel though. Spindle on. And we're at 1165 up on the screen here, 1166. And I'm down on the dial, you're pretty close because we're at 10 on the dial, and it's times 100. So 10 is obviously 1,000. I'm going to brighten it up a little bit. 11, 12, 13, 1,500. Go a little bit more. There's 2,000. We start and stop at 2,000 just to watch the decel. It works nice. Brings it down real smooth. And bring it back up again. With the table. And for that matter, I can turn on ramp speed. It's a preset dimension. I don't know what it is, but it works fine for me. I just left it alone. I can slow it down. It's real slow. That's here off the speed control. Moving out or bring it up faster. It's just doing a recip in jog mode is all we're doing here. Works nice. That's all in jog. Everything here is in jog. That's pretty much it. Wheel speed, I can bring that down a little bit. 1,000. Bring the table back down. 15%. We'll leave it right there. And stop spindle. Stop table. And all we got left is ram feed. I'm going to stop that too. That's all with the FANUC screen. And the only thing I've got, there's a tapered program, not even a program. Where am I at? Custom. Let's get over on custom over here. If I go over to the custom side, it's a tapered grind is all this is. And I think if I bring the table up a little bit and just let her rip, it just kind of, it's a real slow feed, and I'm not playing with the feed, but you'll be able to see it clock off 5/10 at a time, even though we have 20 or 30 millimeters to go. Finish size is 27. That's one screen, just a little bit on the setup side. We can do that while it's running. That's position, how far we got to go. It gives you the graphics all at the same time, and of course the graphic parameters. And it's all zeros. I didn't play with this much a lot. So, but I've got a small program right here, so to speak, but it's nowhere near being finished. If I go over to cycle and I get the auto light blinking, you can start in cycle. I'm not using the teach mode. Like I said, I didn't do any programming, but if we get into cycle, it asks for the start. And this is when everything turns on all by itself and the taper grind kicks in and we can look at it while it's running. I'm going to bring the ram speed all the way down. I'm going to hit auto start. And other spark out, he wants to know if I'm happy with the spark point. I'm not running anything, so the spark point's fine. I'm going to hit start. Everything starts up, wheel, table. Let it come up. Now give it a ram speed. Yep, it just went back and home. And now we are going back and forth and up and down. Let me turn it up fast and you'll be able to see it faster with the speed all the way up, I think. Let me see. Air cut. It's considered an air cut. Let me see if...
It's all we grind here is air.
Oh, wait, that was fine. I went on the wrong line. I'm sorry. I went on the wrong one. I went table speed. I turned table speed all the way up. I want ram speed. Here we go. That's what I wanted. Now you can see it going up and down. After you're done watching this, you can watch... right in here, you can actually see the pointer. You know, it's going up and down, but every time it comes back up, it's feeding 5/10 higher. And I'm feeding, I mean, there's so much to this control, but I am feeding on the right-hand side of the ram. If you come back up here on the ram then and watch this then, it's feeding up on, all up in here. Yeah, just straight in. You see that all rising and falling, and each time, now you come back up to here, grind remaining, 59.13. You see it 5/10. It's every time it goes up, and there's the graphics right there of what our RAM is doing, and it's going up 5/10. I've got 15 millimeter to go, which would take probably somewhere around here to set the time. I think how long would it take? Elapsed time is 1 minute. I forget. I've seen it somewhere. Let me jump back over to here. Position, table rotation, 146. It's showing that. I thought it had it there somewhere. retract, ram stroke. I mean, it's all there. It all works nice. Go back into not that. What's graph? I don't even, what is graph? Oh, there's graph. So, not much going on there. And we're back to this. So,
That's excellent.
yeah, and if we let it sit long enough, it would take off that 50 millimeter and just shut down and go home, but we're just doing a short video. And yeah, so that's it there. I'm just gonna hit reset, dump out of there, and just to go home now, after everything shuts down, all I really have to do is go over the reference, and in reference, just to send everything back. Auto reference up here, sends everything back. Kind of watch the axes here. Woohoo! And that's the home position, which is first 0, then it goes to that. That's its default position right there. So we're at home, lights are on, chuck reference, everything's happy. And that's as far as we're gonna go for the sake of the video. There's a lot more to this control. So let me shut this down. And that one there, leave that. And we're pretty much good to go.
Very nice. Thank you.
Yeah, that's it. Thing runs nice. Sure does.